What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are back home here in the shop, and I got something to show you. You're gonna love this. You've been waiting a long time for this, but first, cue up that epic intro. Alright guys, so this is obviously Corey's 85 GT. The swap is basically done. We're gonna fire it up for you here on the video. This has been kind of a long road. Had the Windsor in it. We've been you know, waiting on parts and all this. It's gonna be a bumper dragger. If you're not familiar with it, if you haven't seen it before, it's got a fully built bulletproof 9-inch rear end in it, fully built bulletproof 2-speed power glide, and the Coyote we just put in it. Full tubular suspension, all that. So this car is going to be a monster. Now, the thing I wanted to go over with you, and this is for the old school guys or the new school guys looking at doing Coyote swaps. This is a first for us. This car's got Ultimate headers on it. That's the company Ultimate headers, 1 3/4. This is our first experience with them. They look like high quality headers. Everything seems to clear pretty good. A couple of concerns we had: the way the oxygen sensors mount up. Gonna be a little tight because the oxygen sensors are pretty long. The other issue that we noticed right here, you're not getting the starter off or on without taking the headers off, and basically you're not getting the headers off without dropping the engine out. So that could be an issue. You know, that could be somewhat frustrating and aggravating, but you know, swap headers are a difficult thing because this is not an exact science, but you know, it is what it is. So let's drop this thing down, see what she looks like underneath the hood. All right guys, as you can see, everybody's been going overtime. Dude, this thing is ready. I love it. So we got the Boss intake on it. We got the Wild Strawberry cold air intake, which was kind of a fluke, but it actually looks pretty good under there. But yeah, she's ready. And she does fire, huh? Yeah. Nice. This thing is going to be a bumper dragger, y'all. Oh yes. Oh yes. Woo. Looky there, boys. The long-awaited day, the first 4-eye swap that we've done. This car is going to be awesome. Corey's going to drag the bumper on it. Corey's an old-school bracket racer, and he lives for taking people's money, so that's what this car is built for. And I don't think he's gonna have any issues. Are we doing Dakota gauges or nothing?
Tack.
So, just gonna stay all business, right?
All business.
We got
tack, old temp.
We got a tack, a shifter, and a line lock button, and that's about all. That's it. That's about all we need. So keep it tuned for some track videos of this, guys. This car is gonna be so much fun, and no, I'm probably not gonna be able to keep up with him, but I'm sure gonna try. So you'll get to see that match too. But super glad this car is together, and again, keep an eye out for the track video shortly. All right guys, so another quick update. Alex, do the honors, brother. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, that's right. Uh-oh, dead battery. Dang it. Okay guys, if you cut the upload last week, we're working on the first fire of the Wild Strawberry car. There was a slight issue. There was a cracked intake. That's why the car wouldn't keep running. All the wiring was fine, but the intake was cracked, so we just had to swap the intakes on it, and boom, she's alive. But Alex has been super busy. This car now has hydro boost. It's got air, it's got power steering, and before everything was manual. But yeah, now it's got all the accessories, and you see got the power by the hour brackets and all that. So this car is gonna be sick. Got the Cobra brakes on it. What are we doing? We're clicking. Yeah, guys, this is, of course, we got the wild strawberry engine cover and cam covers. And dang, Alex, you got all the interior together too?
All black.
Look at him. Oh my God. Okay, I'm really jealous now because he did the dead pedal too.
Yeah.
Alex, I'm bringing the car back. I need a dead pedal, dude.
Yeah, that was nice one.
But man,
See the cluster yet?
no, I just saw the little buttons light up. See, Alex got the red. Oh, look at that.
Try it now.
All right, will she start? She should start. Love that red cluster.
Hey Jeremy, match the accelerator, let off of it. Do it again. Match accelerator.
Yeah.
Alright,
All right, guys, stand by. We gotta swap the throttle body real quick. Luckily, it only takes a second.
change the throttle body.
All right, let's try this again.
Well, it's been kind of extended cranking. You know it? It's been kind of extended cranking anyhow.
All right, guys, I swear to God, it's gonna fire. I think I cursed it. Every time I turn the camera on, it never wants to start. I guarantee if I turn the camera off, it'll fire.
It's on!
All right, take 3. Alex, what was it?
Nothing.
All right, let's do it. Look at that. Ah, she's alive. Still sound like we got, is that air sucking up?
No!
Ah, that would help.
Alright.
Yeah, that sounds a little better now. You got the tailpipes on it? All right, Alex, let's hear it, dude. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. She's alive, boys. Got the bump steer kit on it. Got to finish up some brake lines and all that. But she is alive, boys. All right, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this update. Super glad to be back in the shop. Dover, I think Dover missed me. He almost forgot what I looked like. But Lee's car is actually on the ground. What are we waiting on? Just some parts and.
This guy.
Oh yeah, I got you. So will not belong. You guys can see, obviously it is on the ground. I mean, will not belong on Lee's car. We got parts showing up every day. So hopefully the Viper Blue car will be rocking and rolling. Looks like we got another control pack showed up. That's for Jeremy's. Okay, so Jeremy's control pack showed up. Love that tag, by the way. That is awesome. His control pack showed up. You know, all kinds of badassery out here. Gonna be ridiculous. And here shortly, Corey's gonna be dragging the bumper. Looking forward to seeing that. So good stuff as always, guys. The builds just keep coming in, and we've got an LS swap coming in. Yeah, we'll do that. Yeah, whatever, you know. It's old like Chevy truck.
Chevy truck, yeah. It's not
Yeah.
a Mustang, so that's good.
Why not? Yeah.
As long as
Yeah.
it's a Mustang.
It's going in an old Chevy truck, so it'd be kind of interesting, you know. Whatever. Everybody says LS swaps are so easy and so cheap, so I guarantee you, we'll find out if it's any cheaper than a Coyote. So stay tuned for a comparison build, money and labor wise, between an LS swap and a Coyote swap. I think that'll be interesting. But in the meantime, guys, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button because I promise you, we're just getting rolling. Later.